Sony is gearing up to make a major change in the handheld gaming scene with a device that blends PlayStation power with Nintendo Switch style. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming updates. According to a recent leak from YouTube channel Moore's Law is Dead, the upcoming PS6 handheld will support native gameplay, TV docking, and high-end performance, all wrapped into one sleek portable device. Unlike the current PS5 remote player, which only streams games from your console, the rumored PS6 handheld will be a standalone gaming beast. Powered by a new AMD Canis APU, it reportedly features 4 Zen 6C cores and 2 Zen 6 LP cores, paired with 16 RDNA 5 compute units for next-gen graphics. You should also expect speed because it offers refresh rates of 1.2 GHz in handheld mode, which increases up to 1.65 GHz when docked. It doesn't stop there. The device will carry 48 GB of RAM, a 192-bit memory, and it also has touchscreen, haptics, dual microphones, and both micro SD and M.2 SSD slots for expanded storage. Just like Nintendo Switch, the PS6 handheld will be dockable to TV, making it a flexible hybrid console. Want to make it even better? It's expected to support backwards compatibility with PS5 and PS4 games, giving players a massive library from day one. If the leak is accurate, Sony plans to start manufacturing the device in mid-2027 with a fall 2027 release. And as for pricing, the handheld could land between $399 and $499, with the PS6 console also expected to launch around the same time. This could be Sony's craziest hardware generation yet. Are you waiting for this gaming monster too? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more gaming news.